$600,000 and built like a bullet. But can it survive today? Bullet. Let's see what this beast is made of. Look at that. The frame is holding much longer than expected. Lamborghini wasn't joking when they said the Revuelto is their strongest hybrid chassis ever.
Light damage, not bad. But this was just a warm-up.
Supercars. But this pressure destroys most supercars, but not this one. Not yet. The glass has fractured completely. We are seeing catastrophic failure of the Revuelto safety cell at the 3-second mark.
We are seeing significant deformation at the contact point. The windshield is now failing completely. Maximum load achieved.
There it goes. The roof is collapsing first. Look closely. Every curve, every line this car is famous for